Hello YouTube, bleeding during pregnancy, what to do? Bleeding is one of the most dangerous conditions during pregnancy. If bleeding occurs, you should contact the nearest specialized institution for medical attention. Important to remember. If spotting appears for a short time, delay up to 1 month, in 50% of women, pregnancy will develop without complications, even without medical intervention or medication. But bloody discharge is a sign of the danger of abortion. In the case when blood loss does not exceed the norm, as during normal menstruation, then there is no need to worry, it is safe for short periods. Hospitalization is not required. However, an ectopic pregnancy should not be denied. To exclude this possibility, you need to do an ultrasound in a timely manner. 2. If bleeding is accompanied by severe weakness, pain, accompanied by pressure on the rectum, palpitations, low blood pressure, you should seek medical help. 3. The longer the gestation period, the greater the danger. Bleeding at a later date may increase. 4. Sometimes spotting during pregnancy can occur in the presence of a polyp, erosion, inflammation, varicose veins. These bleedings are usually not heavy and do not disturb the general condition, in particular pulse, pressure, weakness. It is safe for mom and baby. 5. If bleeding is abundant, dark red with clots, may be accompanied by pain, palpitations, loss of consciousness. In this case, medical intervention is necessary. 6. To facilitate the well-being to provide assistance, a woman needs to take a horizontal position, control pressure, use more fluids, use tranexamic acid. These are safe drugs that can be used at any stage of pregnancy. Take care of yourself. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.